Clocking early, always leave late. Coffee hot in the morning, warm bed, but you can't hesitate to jump into that river. The red dots on the road, get a head start, hurry, before the traffic takes away your flow. But if I can be the first one, maybe they will see. I'll get that big promotion, it'll finally set me free. Push a couple of buttons, stand alone in a box. Wish the walls were windows, feel your stomach drop. Walk out to that skyline, the first act has begun. Got an open floor plan, but I still can't feel the sun. But if I can be the best one, maybe they will see. Finally stop my motion, and I'll take some time for me. Right within your soul, each moment's kiss. Let go of and go, hold on to this. Feel it again, feel it again. Scribble notes at the meeting, but don't remember what's said. Punch a couple of numbers, let the buzzwords swirl around your head. Keep seeking that freedom below the signature line. Get your inspiration, 140 characters at a time. Second cup of that coffee, extra sugar, no cream. Your 11th hour, losing a battle with the screen just a little bit longer. Skipping dinner for snack, tell my doctor I'm healthy, as I slowly start to cry. But if I can keep on smiling, maybe they will see. I'll get that recognition, and I'll finally get some sleep. Ooh.